Gahan Festival. Guys, are you ready?
We are inviting everyone now nga
Please come
magpalapit na
closer.
diri sa aton kay
Come
masugod
closer,
na
guys. Come
gidyaga.
closer para at least everybody ma-enjoy ko subong ang aton ng mga banda sa subong gabi. Come closer, please. All right. Are you guys ready? I can't hear you. Are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, let's enjoy the music and group with Jeepney Joyride!
Right!
Sabay kahit di ka marunong Kikilikin mo ang puwet mo iikot Musika masaya tayo'y magkaisa Sige na sumayaw, sumabay Huh! Ha! Huha! Saya! tingnan natin kung mas maganda yung balik ha.
Lahatin mo na.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, wave!
Parang ang konti pa rin, Pops.
Oo. Subukan natin mula sa likod. Pwede kaya yun? Mula sa
Tirahin mo.
likod. Mula sa likod, papunta dito sa harap. Tingnan natin ha. Subok ha, mula sa likod. Ready na ba yung mga galing sa likod? Mag-wait tayo ha. Ready?
Kaya yan.
1, 2, 3, wave! 1, 2, 3! Sumayaw, sumabay kahit di ka marunong. Kaya-ikemot ang puwet mo, iikot musika masaya. Tayo'y magkaisa, sige na sumayaw, sumabay! Sabi nila, yun na yun. Uuwi na kami. Salamat. Grabe, joke lang sa inyong kasama, mga Gimaras Nons. Alright. Nagpapasalamat nga pala kami dahil naimbitahan kami ngayon dito sa Manggahan Festival 2024. Di ba? Grabe yung yung... Alam nyo, matamis yung mangga. Matamis ang mangga ng Gimaras. Pero may mas matamis eh. Alam nyo kung ano yun? Yung mga tao.
Eh.
Ikaw talaga.
So, kakanta na lang kami. Kakantahan na namin kayo. Di ba? Do the bug. I do the bug. I do the bug. I do the bug. Put the boom boom into my heart. You make it sound time bang, yeah, the love and starts. Get the bug into my brain. Good teeth turn into my deeply the same. But something's bugging me, something ain't right. The best friend told me what you did last night. Let me sleeping in my bed. I was dreaming, but I should have been with you instead. Wake me up before you go. Leave me hanging on like a yo-yo. Wake me up before you go. I don't wanna miss it when you hit that high. Wake me up before you go. 'Cause I'm not planning on going solo. Wake me up before you go. Now take me dancing tonight. I wanna hit that high. You gave the gray skies out of the way. You make the sunshine brighter than a darkest day. Put the bright spark into a flame. A beast from men has never been the same. Show my lady, I'm the fool. It makes me crazy when you act so cruel. Come on, darling, let's not fight. We'll go dancing and everything will be alright. Wake me up before you go. If you're planning on going solo, wake me up before you go. Don't wanna miss it when you hit that high. Wake me up before you go. Leave me hanging on like a yo-yo. Wake me up before you go. Now take me dancing tonight. Wanna hit that high. Darling, moving time. We're going dancing tomorrow night. It's cold out there, but it's warm in bed. They can go dancing. We'll stay home instead. bule. Bule bule, bule bule, bule bule. Alright! Yan, sana nag-enjoy tayong lahat. Okay ba? Okay ba? Yeah, iba talaga ang Gimaras noon, sa? Alam nyo, may napansin ako, parang init, no? Di ba kayo nainitan? Ha? Oh, ako nainitan eh. Sobrang init ng pagtanggap nyo. Puro na lang ano, no? Puro na lang, ano tawag dyan? Oo. Wala eh, yun lang alam namin eh. Alam lang namin magpa-sweet. Kasing sweet ng sunshine. Yan. Kami po ang Jeepney Joyride ulit, no? So, yung unang-unang kantang narinig ninyo is yung Sumayaw Sumabay. Yan po ay kasama sa album namin na pinamagatang Let's Get Party. Nandun po yan sa Spotify. Sino may Spotify? Uy, Spotify! Oo, maririnig niyo yung kanta namin na yan sa Spotify. Hanapin nyo lang Jeepney Joyride. Yan. Tapos pakinggan nyo. Marami kami mga ibang kanta doon. Pakinggan nyo ng paulit-ulit. Yayaman ng Pilipinas. Alright. Gusto pala namin pasalamatan, syempre, si Governor J.C. Raman A. Nava, si Vice Governor Attorney John Edward Gando Palapakan! Si Congresswoman Maria Lucille L. Nava, and syempre, members of the 10th Sangguniang Panlalawigan of the Province of Guimaras. Palakpakan! Yeah! Alright. So, kakantahan pa namin kayo, haranahin pa namin kayo. Steady lang kayo dyan, sayaw lang kayo kung trip nyo sumayaw. Kung di naman, okay lang. Sound trip lang.
Steady lang, steady.
Steady lang. Yeah. I don't remember what day it was. I didn't notice what time it was. All I know is that I fell in love with you. And if all my dreams come true, I'll be spending time with you. Every day's a new day in love with you. With each day comes a new way of loving you. Every time I kiss your lips, my mind starts to wander. And if all my dreams come true, I'll be spending time with you. I love you more today than yesterday, but not as much as tomorrow. I love you more today than yesterday, but darling, not as much as tomorrow. Tomorrow makes each springtime just a day away. Cupid, we don't need you now. Be on your way. Thank the Lord for love like ours that grows ever stronger. And if all my dreams come true, I'll be spending time with you. I love you more today than yesterday, but not as much as tomorrow. I love you more today than yesterday, but darling, not as much as tomorrow. galing kay Tom Jones yan. Sinong di pa kumain? Oh, malamang Tom Jones na kayo. Pag hindi pa kumakain, Tom Jones, nakaka-Tom Jones. Eh si Howard Jones, sinong nauuhaw? Oh, Howard Jones. Hindi nyo kilala si Howard Jones? Ako din eh.
Magpa-jam ka nga kaya.
Magpa?
Magpa-jam ka ng isa.
Sige. Ano ba yung magandang kanta? Ayun, sige. Sharon Cuneta. Sinong nakakilala kay Sharon Cuneta? Alam niyo yung kanta ni Sharon Cuneta?
Papanikin mo na.
Hindi. O, panik na kung sino nakakaalam. Yung mga maitiman budhi, kabaligtaran. Kabaligtaran ng maitim. Ay? Wala. Ha? Pipili na lang ako pagka may sumasabay na. No? Lalaki. Lalaki para maganda yung duet namin. Sige. Hindi, kantayin na natin. Tapos, pag kami nakita na lang ako sumasabay para di ba? Game. Alam nyo to, alam nyo, alam nyo. Alam nyo. Kung tayo'y matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago.
Nasaan man ito ang pangarap ko. Kabuhamang matiyang ako'y
Agyan at yakapin. Hanggang pagtanda natin. Nagtatanong
lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya'y
ibigin ko. Kung mabuti na ang buhok ko. Thank you! Meron pa dito eh. Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong daan natin, ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Papaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako, ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit mabuti na Thank you very much! Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako, ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit mabuti na ang kahit mabuti na ang buhok ko. Yeah! Salamat! Kay liwanag ng buwan ngayong gabi, umugunita jeng, jeng! Salamat po. Yan po ang awiting pinamagatang Midnight Special. Galing po yan sa album pa rin na Let's Get Party. Hindi po ako totoong duling. Baka akala niyo totoo akong duling kaya ako gumagamit ng kutsara, ha? Ayan. Mahirap gawin, pre. Pag ginagawa ko to, dumudugo. Yung pit ko, dumudugo. Mahirap siya gawin, pre. Okay. Maraming salamat sa inyo, mga Gimaras noon, sa pagtanggap ninyo sa amin. Sing tamis ng sunshine. Ang nilang mga ngiti. Siyempre, ayun. Wala yung kodigo ko. Masalamatan po natin ulit ang ating mga sponsors. Siyempre, ang ating mahal na governor, si JC Raman A. Nava, Vice Governor Attorney John Edward Gando, Congresswoman Maria Lucille L. Nava, and of course, the members of the 10th Sangguniang Panlalawigan of the province of Guimaras. Sige, meron pa kaming ilang awitin, pero at this point, siguro, imbitahan natin yung aming special guest. Palapakan natin, Viola Marie!
Yes! Thanks, Norman. Magandang gabi po! Gimaras Nons.
All the way
Palakpakan
from
niyo naman
London.
yung mga sarili nyo. Yeah! Yan lang yun. May lalas pa ba? Yay! Alright. Natikman na po namin yung mangga na yung pinagmamalaki na mangga ng Gimaras. Grabe, ang tamis. Ang sarap-sarap. Kasing tamis po ng na-experience namin dito kanina pagdating namin, grabe. Yung magpapasalamat pala muna tayo kay Congressman. Where is it? Hinangin ko.
Hinangin, ayun. Hindi na makababa. Nakita nyo ba yan? Yan.
Ayan,
nakita nyo.
magpapasalamat po kami kay Governor JC Raman A. Nava, Vice Governor, Attorney John Edward Gando, Congresswoman Maria Lucille Nava. Maraming salamat po sa pagtanggap niyo po sa amin dito. Hindi po namin makakalimutan yan. At ng banda. Alright, dahil po dyan, maraming salamat po. Mahal po namin kayo. Underneath it all po para sa inyo. There's times when I want something more, someone more like me. Hey! There's times when this dress rehearsal seems incomplete, but you see the colors in me like no one else. Kung alam nyo, sakay, and behind your dark glasses, oh, you're something else. Underneath it all, God, you want to love me. Underneath it all, I'm really lucky. Underneath it all, you're really lovely. But you know some real bad chicks and you need some discipline. But lately you've been trying real hard and giving me your best. Hey, you give me the most gorgeous look that I've ever had. And when it's really bad, I guess it's not that bad. You're really lovely. Come on. You want to love me underneath it all. Louder, the key underneath it all. You're really lovely. Gimaras Nons. So many moons that we have seen stumbling back next to me. seen right through and underneath. Hey, you make me better. Seen right through and underneath. Hey, you make me better. Better, real. 'Cause underneath it all, you want me real preacher. Like the heat from the fire, you were always burning and it shine you're around. My body keeps calling for your touch, your kisses and your sweet romance. Yes, another side of you on the top on the other. Aside from your temper, everything else is your good for me, baby. Your time to show goes over and over. I get me one more. You've used up all your coupons and all you got left is me. Somehow I'm full of forgiveness. I guess it's meant to be. Tulungan niyo kami. Sige na, alam niyo to eh. Underneath it all, you want you. Alam nila yan. Hey! I'm really lucky. Underneath it all, you're really lovely. You're really lovely. Underneath it all, you want to love me. Underneath it all, I'm really lucky. Underneath it all, you're really lovely. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Underneath it all, oh, oh, oh. Underneath it all, oh, oh, oh. Underneath it all, ooh, ooh, ooh. Underneath it. Woohoo! Palakpakan natin ang mga sarili natin kasi nandito tayo ngayon sa Manggahan Festival. Diba? Yes. She has a girlfriend now. She has a girlfriend now. She has a girlfriend now. She said, guys, don't do no more for me. You love me like I wanted you to.
What do you want me to do? She found someone who's gonna hold her hand. She said she found someone who's gonna understand.
She don't
Need nobody
to be her. She don't need nobody to be her. She has a girlfriend now. She has a girlfriend now. She has a girlfriend now. She said, guys, don't do no more for me. Jump, 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 jump.
Let's hear some trouble!
Hearts. She said she found
Someone who's gonna hold her hand. She said she found someone who's gonna understand. She don't need nobody to be her man. She don't need nobody
nobody
to be her man. She has a girlfriend now. She has a girlfriend now. She has a girlfriend now. She said, I don't do no more for me.
bed. This is some Molly girl like your face, and all he says is that she takes him by the hand. Oh, life goes on, life goes on. Oh, bloody, life goes on, life goes on.
Desmond takes a trolley to the jeweler's store. Has a 20-karat gold ring. Takes it back to Molly waiting at the door. And then she uses she really gets to sing. That beat, oh, that goes on. That goes on. Oh, that beat, oh, that goes on. That goes on. Come on, they have built a home sweet home. Come on, like it's running in the yard of Desmond and Molly Jones.
The other actor in the marketplace, Desmond has the children let ahead. All he stays at home and does a pretty face, and in the evening she still sings it with a band. Hey, oh baby, life goes on, life goes on. Life goes on, life goes on.
Come on, like it's they have built a home sweet home. Come on, like it's running in the yard of Desmond and Molly Jones. Happy ever after in the marketplace. Desmond lets the children lend a hand. Molly takes out of it just a pretty face. In the evening she still sings it with the band.
Oh, life goes on, life goes on.
If you want some fun, take off that All right, we are now down to our final performance of the night. Get ready to party, you party animals.
Lalabasan yung mga hip-hoppers dito, no? Yeah.
Labas natin yung mga
Tama ba to,
natin,
Sainto?
inner animalistic.
Sumangayon ka man sa akin o hindi. Kung nang meron... Game!
Chop, 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 chop.
My name is Portia and I am neat. I love with the girls and I love to eat. I made this rap from my mind and I am very, very kind. I love to drive fast so fancy cars, cause chicks dig me like chocolate bar. They say I'm bad, but I am good, so shut up now and eat some food.
Tsaka ano ba problema mo? Ayusin mo naman. Lagyan mo naman ng toro para ka na ang atwiran. Ano ba kinaatubag mo sa luma mong apartment? Hindi ka naman sikat, wala ka rin na.
May ano ba ang sinasabi mo? Mali ang magaling akong kumanta. Alam mo ba yung kubeta?
Kung sa bagay, mahusay nga naman yung kubeta. Gamit ang boys mo pamatay, nilagyan mo ng kulay ang kanta.
Di ba kahit ikaw yung gumawa? Alam nating mas okay nung ako yung kumanta.
Tsak naman, please lang, huwag ka na magyabang at alam mo naman na pambackup ka lang at ilan na ba ang talaga nagawa mong kanta? Ilan?
Wala eh, ano ngayon?
Got me looking so crazy right now, love. Got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now, love. Got me looking so crazy right now. Looking so crazy in love. Got me looking so crazy in love. I'm looking so crazy in love. Got me looking so crazy in love. Oh no no. Oh no no. Oh no no. Teka lang, 1 minute, pwede ba ang pakiulit? Maaari na lang sa paligo. Ngunit paano mo naman nasabi na ikaw ang nararapat? Minsan ka naman lang wala ka na isulat.
Eh, basi-basi mo siya magkahidi na sinulat siya kinakanta na lang at ay sobra usumi katulad ko. At ikino at ibinindi ka kinuna wala na yan ang mas sigat pa kahit ang sino.
Ewan ko, dili, huwag kang makulit. Kung ayaw mo masipat, ako ka na malupit. Baka makatikim ka ng sa swela de kamao sa elisto, el di gato sa gopia de con todo.
Talaga, di niya, atawa na ba ako? Hindi porket koreano ka, magaling ka mag-taekwondo. Huwag ka mag-aangat, sa lalaki may balbas. Asa na talaga ng mga nyo, I love you, Gimaras!
Sandali lang, huwag muna kayong mag-away. Mag-isama. Bye. Sige na, please, please. Babae mo sa jeep, kulang pa ng jeep.
Ayaw niya mangyari ang nangyari sa iba. Matulog tayo kung mga anak o bata ko pa.
Huwag natin kalimutan kung saan nagsimula. Got me looking so crazy right now to love. Got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now to love. Got me looking so crazy right now. Looking so crazy in love. Got me looking so crazy in love. I'm looking so crazy in love. Got me looking so crazy in love. Hindi ko na alam ba't tapusin ang kanta. Kaya ganito na lang bigla na mawawala.
Thank you.